based in Wichita, Kansas. Oh, wonderful. Now they're at the height of production in Wichita. Boeing was building 4.5 completed B-29 Superfortresses per day with a workforce that was about 80% female. They were known as Rosie the Riveter back in the day. This particular aircraft went on to serve as a radar calibration squadron airplane in upstate New York in Griffiths. That is when it started wearing those red stripes you see right there, painted on the side of the airplane. And of course, the nose art is indicative of Snow White, the Seven Dwarfs, and the Wicked Witch. It was all part of that squadron back in the day. Doc was then given to the Navy. It was a missile target, if you can believe that, out in China.
You don't want to miss this. Cameras out, phones out, hit record right about now, and stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. Steady it. Steady. And
so there you have it. A nice pass there.
awkward.
A nice pass there.
Beautiful pass. Beautiful pass.
Kelly just radioed down and she said it's on the 4th this thing flying, because the memories and the stories that airplanes like this tell, they're just props, but they certainly help tell a much larger story and help us remember the shoulders of all of those who we stand upon today. Ladies and gentlemen, now from the right, in another memorable pass, Doc, the B-29.
Cameras ready, rolling. Alrighty.
Well, that was memorable. He's going to be up there. He's going to be up there flying. And our buddy from Alabama is going to be up there too. He's going to be flying. Bill, you know Bill Culberson.
Bill?
Yeah, Bill and Michael are going to be flying here in a few minutes.
Both of these guys are like 6'8".
They got some other hack up there with them this weekend too.